Now, where can you find saved passwords on the iPhone? And let me show you how you can make it work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So the way to find them is likely to be part of the Passwords app, which is the Apple's built-in passwords manager. So you can see it is this icon with the three keys on it, and essentially every password which you type in somewhere, it's going to ask you if you want to save it, and if you do save it, it's going to be part of this app. So I can get inside like that, manage things like the general codes which I saved, the pass keys, as well as Wi-Fi passwords. So that's very interesting, of course. So you can see that this is very simply stored into this place. So this is where you can find saved passwords if you did save them to begin with. But keep in mind that there are also some other third-party password managers which you might want to use. For example, there is the Proton Pass, which is a very popular choice. A lot of people have that, right? And also a very popular one is called 1Password, which is very good basically, but it's not made by the Apple. It's not made by the iPhone default apps. It's not part of that, so you have to download it from the App Store, but it's going to get the same job done. It's just made by a different developer. So if you have used that, then of course it's going to be part of this app. Your saved passwords are going to be part of a different passwords manager. But I hope it makes sense. This is where you can find it. If you have some more thoughts or questions about this, just let me know about them below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll see you in the future uploads.